Few quick things left. Languages, you probably won't use this too often, but if you want your computer to be written in a different language, like all this text along the top and all this text here, all the stuff that you see in your computer writing back to you, you can rearrange this list. Move the language of your choice to the top of the list, and your computer will basically write back to you in that language. If you want to type in a different language, click Input Sources. So for example, if you are writing a letter to your Armenian Nufrade, you might check Armenian on, which would let you type in Armenian. You'll notice up here we have a little flag icon that shows up, new, and this lets you switch between which language you're typing in. You can assign a keyboard shortcut here to quickly toggle between two different languages. Formats will let you change the format of your date, time, numbers, currency, etc. Let's go back to Show All. Quick note on security. This is a nice feature here. Allows you to require a password after the computer wakes up from sleep or from screensaver. If I check that on, now if I put the computer to sleep and wake it back up, it's going to require my administrator password before letting anybody use the computer. In Snow Leopard, they made this nice option where you can set a grace period or a delay. So for example, if you frequently put your computer to sleep and then immediately remember, oh yeah, that's right, I had one more thing to do, you have to open up your computer and then it requires you to put in a password. If you set it to 5 minutes here, it'll give you a grace period of 5 minutes before you have to put your password in, so that's a nice feature. In addition to requiring a password to wake from sleep, you may also choose to disable automatic login, which means the computer will require you to enter in a name and password immediately after it starts up. This is good in case your computer gets stolen or anything, or you have other nosy people around the house. If all of your options are grayed out like this and you can't make any changes, you will have to click on the lock icon and enter in an administrator password. Once you've done that, then you'll be able to tick these on and off. Quick warning on FileVault. FileVault is great for keeping certain contents of your computer secure, such as business information or things like that. But don't play around with it. If you know you need it, then use it. But if you don't think you need it, don't mess with it, because as it says here, if you forget your master password, it's going to erase all of your data. So don't turn it on unless you need it. Last thing, Spotlight. Spotlight is a wonderful tool for searching your entire computer. You can activate it by clicking on this Spotlight icon in the top right corner of your screen and type in any keyword that you want, a name or any kind of word, even numbers. And it will search your entire computer for that thing, such as if you type in London, it'll search your whole computer for your travel itineraries and maps and emails and anything that has the word London. However, sometimes you may not want everything to be searched. You can check things off this list so that they are not searched. For example, if I don't want my email messages searched, I just uncheck that from the list. And Spotlight, next time I search for London, won't show me any emails with the word London in it. You can also restrict certain folders. So if I don't want my desktop pictures folder to be searched, for example, I can just drag it into this list or click the plus button down here to add it. This might be useful in the case of, again, business information or that folder that you're keeping all of the surprise birthday plans in, things like that. This will restrict it from showing up on your Spotlight search results. Last thing down at the bottom, notice there's a keyboard shortcut for activating Spotlight. So I can press Command Spacebar to open up my Spotlight, Command Spacebar to hide it again. So that's a nice quick way to access it. That's it for the top row of your personal settings for your computer. Go ahead and make your computer your own by customizing all of these to your heart's content. Thanks for watching.